Where would you like her, Judge?
Oh, she's in the middle.
Okay.
All right. So you've received all the discovery. State, did you tender an offer?
Your Honor, there has been an offer in the file. So I don't,
All right. Defense,
Yes.
did you tender the offer to your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Carrillo, have you had a chance to think about the offer, or do you need more time to think about the offer?
I've thought about the offer.
All right. So are you rejecting the offer?
I'm accepting the offer.
Wait,
Oh.
Judge, we wanted to set it for trial.
Well, I mean, your client is saying she's accepting the offer. Do y'all want to discuss that?
I'll discuss it again, but what she means is she understands she got the offer. She does not want to plead guilty at this time.
Well, no, she just told the court, and I don't think I was speaking in legal terms. She just told the court that she wants to accept the offer. Here's the thing, if people don't want to accept an offer, I'm fine with that. And if you want a jury trial, I'll give you a jury trial. But if you're rejecting an offer, there is no, I'm not accepting the offer at this time. That means that the only way the court will consider an offer after today is if there's good cause to do it. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. So I'll allow you to speak to your attorney, because what she's told me is that she wants to accept the offer. So I'll let you step back to speak to your attorney. And once that's done, you can come back. All right, and your client is in the middle and you're on that side, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, how do you pronounce your last name?
Kennedy.
Kennedy. All right. All right, so where are we on this case?
I filed a motion to quash and talk to the state for a moment. She'd like a few days to get ready.
All right, I
Please.
haven't seen the motion. Could you pull the motion to quash on this case? It's 2023 CR 4168. And you have all the discovery?
I believe so, Your Honor, yes.
All right, state if you'll do an acknowledgement of discovery.
Okay.
And what is the concern on the indictment, counsel?
Lack of specificity about adequate nourishment and adequate proper care.
Okay.
Simply saying that that's like
Okay,
kind of.
all right. So if the court denies the motion, how long is this jury trial going to take?
Probably 3 days, huh?
It could be lengthy. There's going to be a lot of expert witness testimony.
How many experts?
Few.
Okay. So it'll probably be 1 day for jury selection, maybe 2 days for the jury trial. All right, Ms. Ferguson. When is the next day for family violence?
Tomorrow, if you want something further out, right?
They're up tomorrow?
Let's go further out, please.
Let me see. Well, no, I mean, I want to give you all your trial. He's in custody.
Just have 7 cases tomorrow.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. We're going to have a hearing on this motion to quash. Let's do it next week. And then after that, your trial is going to be a quick turnaround. Do you understand?
I don't know what a quick turnaround means.
Oh, you're going to be trying this case in the month of October, at the latest November. That's what that means.
I understand.
So has an offer been tendered?
Yes.
All right. Now, are you rejecting that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
Judge.
So the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. If you decide to enter a plea, you'll have to enter a plea open to the court. You understand?
Yes, Judge.
What date for hearing on this, Norma? All right, we're going to come back on October 12th to have a hearing on your motion. All right, counsel said he'll be out of town. No. Let's keep it that week. When are you going to be out of town?
On Tuesday, I'm gonna be here on Tuesday anyhow. The 10th, does that work?
All right. I mean, would you be able to-
At 9 a.m. because I think it's just going to be argument. So you all have to be here exactly at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, the 10th.
Very good, Judge. Leave excuse now.
Yes,
Go ahead and sit over there.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And counsel, I need you to sign the acknowledgement of discovery before you leave.
I promise, Judge.
All right.
Well, if it gets done.
Oh, they'll have it done. All right. So with regards to the offer that's been tendered by the state, do you understand what the offer is?
Yes.
All right. So do you want to enter a plea or do you want a jury trial?
A jury trial.
All right. So here's the thing, and I'm going to explain it to you, and I hope your attorney, and I'm sure your attorney did explain it to you. That means that you're rejecting the state's offer, that you want to go to trial. When we come back for your jury trial date, the court is not going to consider any plea agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. So if the jury is in the hallway and suddenly everybody changes their minds and say they want to accept the state's offer, and that's, you just change your mind, the court is not going to accept that offer. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
on this case, if you're recalled for tomorrow for jury trial,
Tomorrow,
yes.
okay?
All
We're
right.
ready.
Sure. All right, thanks.
Yeah, and.
They'll give you a
State,
recent-
I'd like the announcement from the state police, Judge.
Oh, the state's announcement is going to be ready because this is set for tomorrow. That's what the court is saying.
Okay, tomorrow, what time?
What time do you want this back tomorrow, Norma?
They can do it on.
9? All right, she'll give you a reset form, then you're excused.
We'll be here at
Thank you.
9.
All right, thank you. Suzanne, it's always great seeing you. How you doing?
I'm doing good, Judge. Thank you. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing okay. I cannot complain. All right, so he was here and there was a federal warrant. So where are we on these cases?
Judge, at the last setting, Judge Harrell was here.
Mhm.
And I believe Jason can verify this, but my memory was that the feds are not gonna pick him up. That is in fact not why he got taken into custody.
Ah,
He was here. He went to his misdemeanor court first, but he was here. Mark Garcia from Cowboy came in after I had left and asked the judge to increase the bond because he says he didn't report one time to his bondsman. So that's why he got taken into
all right.
custody.
Well, Mr. Mora, that contract is between you and the bondsman, and the court has nothing to do with that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So on these cases, counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
I have.
All right. State, did you tender an offer?
We did, Judge.
All right. So, Mr. Mora, do you need time to consider the state's offer? All right. How old are you?
37.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on this case, if you can bring it back on Thursday, please. All right. That will be your plea deadline date for you to consider the state's offer. Okay. Is there anything you need from the court or anything you do not understand?
Oh, man.
I mean, I know that he's very frustrated, Judge, and I think he would like for me to let you know, just because you'll remember that when we were last year and he was still on bond,
Mhm.
but we were not knowing what the feds were going to do. You had offered him some suggestions of different classes he could take. He in fact did start taking those classes. He enrolled in them and now he's stuck in jail. And so he's quite frustrated about that. I think that I don't know if he's going to reject the plea bargain or not yet, but I know that he was wanting to get out again and restart his classes. What I don't know, you might know, I guess I can ask, is whether or not what the bond got increased to. I don't know. I mean,
All
I
right,
could go
the
ask
clerks will
clerk.
be able to tell you what it will be increased to. But Mr. Mora, what I can tell you is that there are bad things that happen to everybody, right? And sometimes it turns out that bad things that are happen in retrospect, maybe are not so bad. And I don't take lightly that you are at the Bear County Jail, but I do see that your last violation report was because you were using meth, right? So hopefully at the Bear County Jail, you're not able to get any meth, and you're able to clear your mind, clear your body, and get on the right track. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I will tell you, and the state knows, and your counsel knows, plea agreements that are entered into, the court always keeps an open mind on everything and considers everything and what I do with sentencing. Okay. All right. So we'll bring you back on Thursday.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right.
You may be
Thank you.
excused.
Yes. Oh, and counsel, before you leave, if state and counsel, if I could get acknowledgements of discovery.
Do we not, have we not done that yet?
No, there's none in the file.
Okay, thought maybe by now we would have done that.
No.
Okay.
Able to get it over the goal line at Notre Dame. That's why he's not there anymore, and he might be doing the same thing here.
I'm just, it's like Lane Kiffin. Everybody appears to want him to have employment,
Yeah. Yeah.
but we shall see. We shall see.
Yeah.
All right, Anthony, Tyrone, Jack Woodard. But this too shall pass. Now we can all, John, the only thing that's left for us to do now is to destroy everybody else's hopes and dreams.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, so has an offer been tendered?
Yes, Your Honor, an offer has been. Yes, sir.
Okay,
And we did a discovery acknowledgement last time.
yes. All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, can I have a 3-week reset for plea deadline date? And after that, if you choose not to accept the plea, you'll be going to jury trial. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
You can come back on the 30th.
All right, we'll be back on October 30th. Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form, then you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just since it's my first time with a trial case in your court, just for my advocate.
Sorry about your.
Well, you know it,
My wife went to LSU.
it happens, you know,
I don't.
what are you gonna do?
And you know, it was at home, right? Wasn't it? Or no, it was in Mississippi. Was it in Mississippi or?
No, we were at home.
In Baton Rouge.
Yeah.
Yeah, my son-in-law was on a dove hunt with 12 LSU alums. He said, and my son is with TCU and they lost. He said it was kind of a bummer night,
Oh, my gosh.
Saturday night, yeah. So.
Well, did they have any,
Well, they want to fire the coach, you know, they all.
well, did they have any birds? See, and then you have that too. No birds and both teams lost.
Yeah, no, it's you know, I've never been to a game, and you know, when I first married my wife, I said, we gotta go to an LSU game. And she just wasn't much of a, you know.
Well, you know, I'm not a big fan of crowds
Yeah,
and a big fan of wading through
Yeah.
parking lots. So,
that's what you do there.
yes, I only, for each team that I love
Yeah.
and like to watch play, but I love all sports, so I really like all teams, but I only do it once.
Yeah.
And then I can say, okay, I did that. It's better to watch it on TV.
Yeah.
And I can pause, you know, go back for wings or something.
Some more chips.
Yeah. All right, I see on August 31st, the bond forfeiture was issued. You're on this side, counsel.
Oh, sorry, Your Honor.
Has that been recalled?
No, I'm just here, because Mario's out,
So my attorney is Leo Gonzalez and he's not present.
and I'm standing up for him.
So you're with Joseph Dunn and Law.
I'm with Donovan Johnson.
Okay, I was making sure I was being represented.
Yeah, for sure.
So your name again is?
My name's Cole Nuts. Cole Nuts.
Coronado.
There you go.
Cole Nettles.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, I've never met you, so I'm
okay.
Sarah Gutierrez. Nice to meet you. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I didn't know who he was.
No, I'm glad you all were able to meet each other. So does she have a warrant? Thank you.
Your Honor, may I have,
Please don't say anything to the court, just let them check, please.
I mean,
Yes.
I just wanted to make a statement.
And this is not the time or the place. Please don't make any statements to the court.
Okay.
So,
Monday. Has Mahia watched Ken Porsche?
That's why.
Let me just tell you, if he ends up watching that, I think we're gonna have thunderstorms.
It's gonna happen.
If he will be willing to drop charges considering.
All right, so August 31st, what happened on that day?
Place 1 month prior to my text messaging him, which was only a text message of reconciliation.
And so for today.
All right, so Ms. Gutierrez,
She didn't look, but it was recalled with the column, it's that bond, which is best.
okay, so Ms. Gutierrez, your conversation with your attorneys, who your attorney is, or y'all want to have a meeting, that needs to take place not in front of the bench. Do you understand?
So how was I able to talk to him though? 'Cause he was up
You
here.
guys need to do that on your own time.
So he
Yes,
didn't
sir.
notify us. I do apologize. I didn't know he was present, my attorney.
All right, you all want to step back and talk to her? All right, who's the state on Sarah Gutierrez's assault? Yes. Has an offer been tendered in this case?
Judge, I know that she has another pending case for family violence, is that correct?
That's
Is that
correct.
So there's an unindicted, so we haven't made an offer on this one yet.
All right, what is the unindicted family violence
It's
case?
a continuous violation of a protective order.
All right. State, have you all given them discovery on the continuous?
I don't believe so. It's, I think it's is it still sealed?
I just gave them a copy of the. It may be sealed, but once they get on it, they should get that.
Yeah, I don't know.
All right, are you all going to be the attorneys on the protective order?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it
All right.
signed? Yes.
So which case is going to take the driver's seat in this?
Well, at this point, our case is not indicted, Your Honor. And he does, I believe she has a pending BPO and misdemeanor court, so we are at this time trying to. I'm what he's. said. So at this point, I can't tell the court exactly, one, if the case is gonna get indicted, and two, what the status is,
Okay,
but.
all right, we're going to recall this case in 2 weeks. At that time, an offer needs to be tendered. And counsel, you can look at the discovery for the protective order. Ms. Ferguson, I needed to reset. All right, we're going to come back on October 23rd.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, you're welcome. After you sign the reset form, you're excused.